My name is Hye Kim, and we're at my restaurant, Miss Kim, in Ann Arbor, Michigan. I really came to cooking when I was about 30. After graduating from University of Michigan, based on gut feeling and not much else, I said I wanted to open an Asian restaurant. And that's when I decided that I'm gonna be cooking. All of that happened after age 27, and I opened the restaurant about 5 years ago. I think Zingerman's Delicatessen is a must visit if you come to Ann Arbor. I will have to say that this place permanently ruined me for any kind of sandwiches because nothing else compares. Like if you want scrumptious, like things like in your face and like, you know, sauce dripping down your arm kind of American sandwich experience, a Jewish deli experience, this is the place to be. Part of it is that it is very ingrained in the life of Ann Arbor. You should come here on football Saturday and there's going to be line around the block. I will also say Obama said that the Reuben is killer, so I just want to put that in there. We are right now at Carytown Farmers Market. It's one of my favorite places in Ann Arbor, and going to Farmers Market every Wednesday and Saturday is one of my favorite part of my job. I mean, it's a feast for your eyes. Flowers, the vegetables, the colors, I mean the fruit, it's just amazing. The farmers market is like over 100 years old. It's more with that kind of experience of coming to the farmers market and discovering my own preferences and building the relationships with each farmer that really made me build a love for this place. Yeah. We are here at Yoon's Bakery. It's one of my favorite bakeries, and it's the only Korean bakery in Ann Arbor, and it's fantastic. I love this place because everything is just a little fresher, a little lighter, and the chef comes here early in the morning, makes everything fresh every single morning, and I think that's a hallmark of really good pastry shop. He is classically trained, and then he does it every single day himself. I think makes it extra special. And the variety of pastries and buns that he carries is unbelievable for such a tiny shop. Yeah. I think Blom Meadworks is a must-visit spot in Ann Arbor because you really can get a sense of where you are, because Blom is so connected to the ingredients that are coming out in Michigan. And I love the seasonally rotating menu. So if somebody asks me what my favorite meat is, I would say I don't have one because I have to go and check out what they have on the menu. There's no trick to it. It's just do it the traditional way and do it in the community that you're rooted in, and trust that it will come out deliciously after a lot of care and love that goes into it. We get two of our major inspiration is Korean ancestors. I like to figure out story behind a certain dish, how it came about, how it developed over time, what's the story behind people who cooked and consumed this food, and now that it landed in Michigan with me, what does that look like? And all those connections that I made and the studies that I did looking into like what I imagined my great-great-grandmother made, that feeds into the restaurant. So yeah, Korean Michigan restaurant.